taste the sunshine, we will. Let's get back in the kitchen for our last recipe. All right, everyone, we are back and we're going to talk about grilling a little bit more, but not with a steak, with a watermelon.
Grilled watermelon and roasted fig salad with garden greens, microgreens, fennel, whatever type of greens. So kind of a plain sweet and savory
I love
together.
that.
You could either do it raw or you can grill it. We want to have a hot grill because we don't want it to melt. We want to just sear it, and then we're going to have everything else ready to plate. So the concept is warm grilled watermelon with cold salad on it. And figs are a perfect play on it for texture.
Okay, let's do it. Pretty big chunks.
Yeah, I want it to hold on the grill. I don't want to do small chunks. After it comes off, then I can go ahead and cut it down if I like.
A little bit of salt on the watermelon. That's how my dad actually likes to eat watermelon, with a little bit of salt on it.
The salt draws out flavor, so it takes that deliciousness and makes it even more.
Yeah, just popped it up.
So same thing with the steak, salt side down. We'll just let that go for a second, and while we're doing this, let's make up a little salad. You want to serve it right off the grill. You don't want it to sit around for a while. It'll get a little soggy.
Okay.
So I have some fennel that I've shaved, so I'm going to dress it with some fresh lime juice.
Oh, nice. Okay.
So making our simple vinaigrette as we go.
Again, the parts, right? The lime and a little bit of the olive oil.
Olive oil, some richness. Add a little bit of salt to it. That's ready to go. And let's go ahead and flip our watermelon.
Okay. Let's see what it looks like. Beautiful.
And let's finish this salad.
What are we going to do with this now?
I have what is called fig syrup. You can find this at specialty stores. If you can't, you can find pomegranate molasses.
Oh, yeah.
Or balsamic.
Can I reduce down pomegranate juice to make this type of glaze?
You could do that. It's easier to take balsamic vinegar, which almost everybody has.
Yes.
So let's go and get our watermelon off the grill.
I mean, it was that fast. You saw the watermelon go on. You're watching it come off in that quick. Wow. It almost looks like chocolate syrup.
Which would also work.
I was just thinking, I was going to suggest it and see if he said anything.
A dessert application here.
Very nice.
So our grilled watermelon topped with a fresh, crunchy salad or lime juice. And then we have our roasted figs. Like I said, you could do them roasted or fresh. I just put a little bit of olive oil and salt, 350-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes.
Vegetarians eat your heart out. Even though it wasn't meant as a vegetarian salad, it certainly could be that.
We'll garnish it with a finishing salt. And here's our grilled watermelon salad.
Wow,
with roasted
Chef,
figs.
this is fantastic. And again, it was simple and easy to do. The recipes are on our website. You used everything out of the garden, but certainly do these at home.